The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is one of the most famous and mysterious regions of the world. Located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, this area has been the subject of speculation, fear, and fascination for decades. Covering roughly 500,000 square miles between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle has gained a reputation for being the site where numerous ships, planes, and people have allegedly disappeared under mysterious circumstances. But what is the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? Is it a region cursed by supernatural forces? Or is it simply a location prone to natural phenomena that have been sensationalized over time? The Bermuda Triangle first entered popular culture in the mid-20th century. The term Bermuda Triangle was coined by Vincent Gaddis in a 1964 magazine article titled The Deadly Bermuda Triangle, where he linked a series of unexplained disappearances to this area. However, the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of danger and mystery dates back to earlier times, particularly after Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared during a training mission in 1945. The rescue planes sent to find them also vanished, adding to the legend. Over the years, various books, documentaries, and media reports have added to the mystique of the Bermuda Triangle. Famous disappearances, such as the USS Cyclops, 1918, and Flight 19, have fueled theories of paranormal activity, alien abductions, and time warps, turning the region into a symbol of the unknown. Several high-profile disappearances have been linked to the Bermuda Triangle over the years, adding to its mystery. Some of the most well-known incidents include Flight 19, 1945. A group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Florida on a routine training mission but never returned. Radio transmissions indicated that the pilots became disoriented and lost, and despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the planes or their crews was ever found. USS Cyclops, 1918. The USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy cargo ship, disappeared without a trace while sailing from Barbados to Baltimore. The ship, carrying 309 people, was never found, and no distress signals were sent. The loss of the Cyclops remains one of the single largest non-combat losses of life in U.S. Navy history. The Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 1948 to 49. These 2 British South American Airways planes disappeared in separate incidents while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. Both planes were lost without sending distress signals, and no wreckage was ever recovered. The Mary Celeste, 1872. Though not technically lost in the Bermuda Triangle, the Mary Celeste is often linked to the area due to its mysterious circumstances. The ship was found drifting in the Atlantic Ocean with no crew aboard, despite being seaworthy and having all provisions intact. The fate of the crew remains a mystery. While the stories of the Bermuda Triangle are often dramatic and mysterious, scientists and experts offer more rational explanations for the incidents in this region. Some of the key theories include human error. Many disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle can be attributed to simple human error. The area is heavily trafficked by ships and planes, and mistakes in navigation, miscommunication, and poor weather conditions can lead to accidents. Severe weather. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area of the Atlantic Ocean prone to severe weather, including hurricanes and tropical storms. Sudden and intense weather changes can overwhelm ships and planes, leading to accidents and disappearances. Magnetic anomalies. Some theories suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is home to magnetic anomalies that interfere with navigation equipment. This could cause planes and ships to become disoriented and lose their way. However, there is no conclusive evidence that the Bermuda Triangle experiences more magnetic disturbances than any other region of the Earth. Methane hydrates. Another scientific theory involves methane hydrates, which are found beneath the ocean floor. Large releases of methane gas could, in theory, reduce the density of water and cause ships to sink rapidly. However, There is little direct evidence to support this theory as a cause of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream, a strong ocean current that flows through the Bermuda Triangle, can quickly carry away debris from wrecks, making it difficult to find remains of lost ships or planes. This could explain why many wrecks have never been discovered. Despite its reputation, many experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other heavily traveled area of the world's oceans. In fact, according to Lloyd's of London and the U.S. Coast Guard, the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other parts of the world. Many of the so-called mysterious disappearances can be explained by natural causes, human error, or simply the challenges of searching for wreckage in a vast and difficult-to-navigate region. Investigators who have studied the Bermuda Triangle have often found that the stories surrounding disappearances have been exaggerated or misrepresented over time. In some cases, ships or planes that were thought to have vanished mysteriously were later found to have met with identifiable accidents, such as mechanical failure or bad weather. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a mysterious and dangerous place has captured the imagination of the public for decades. Theories of paranormal activity, extraterrestrial involvement, and even Atlantis have been proposed in books, movies, and documentaries. Authors like Charles Berlitz and Richard Weiner have written extensively about the Triangle, popularizing the idea that supernatural forces are at work in the region. Hollywood has also contributed to the mystique of the Bermuda Triangle with films, TV shows, and fictional stories that depict the area as a hotbed of unexplained phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most famous maritime mysteries in the world, but most experts agree that its reputation is largely the result of myths, sensationalism, and misunderstood events. While the area has been the site of some notable disappearances, many of these can be explained by natural phenomena, human error, or environmental factors. Far from being a cursed region, the Bermuda Triangle is likely no more dangerous than other heavily traveled parts of the world's oceans. Nevertheless, its legend persists, a testament to humanity's fascination with the unknown and unexplained.